Thanks, Susan. So I'm Curt Nickisch. I work for Harvard Business Review, and it's good to see a lot of familiar faces again this year. I want to bring in our panelists, and maybe since we've all been sitting here and not speaking, I will let you each do a quick introduction of yourselves as kind of like an elevator pitch as you give to people. Anna Maiques, I'll start with you, the CEO of Neuroelectrics, and tell us in kind of a 60-second elevator pitch what your company does.
Yes, one moment. Because you would understand better, so.
Oh, wow. Visual aids.
Okay, I didn't put it very nice, but. So thanks for the invitation. I'm Anna Maiques. I'm the CEO of Neuroelectrics. What I'm wearing right now is a wireless device that can do both things. We can monitor your brain activity, so-called EEG, or I can inject very low currents into your brain for therapeutic use. So we are doing a clinical trial at Boston Children's Hospital to see if we can stop seizures in children that don't respond to medication on epilepsy. And we are also doing a pilot on Harvard on cognitive decline, people with dementia or early Alzheimer's. This is a wireless device. We intend to use this at home under medical prescription. And it's just an innovation that is happening here in Massachusetts, and I can talk more about it, but this is basically what we are doing.
Okay, and I know a lot of people are wondering about your accent.
I'm from beautiful Barcelona, Boston, so, you know, it's the B connection.
Another B town, yeah, exactly, right. Okay, why don't you pass the microphone over to Emily Reichert, who is the CEO of Greentown Labs. And Emily, elevator pitch. You know those well in your place.
Good morning, everyone. So Emily Reichert, CEO of Greentown Labs, and I'd just like to start my comments by thanking some very important supporters in the audience. So Mass CEC, Mass Development, and the City of Somerville are amazing partners of Greentown Labs. We are the largest clean technology incubator in the nation. We support 55 startup companies, and all of those companies are working on technology innovations that are going to change the world in terms of providing solutions to our environmental and energy challenges.
Great. And next, Chris Gahagan, CEO of Symbotic.
I'm Chris Gahagan, and I'm the CEO of Symbolic. We're based up in Wilmington, Mass. And we're a company that produces essentially robotics to automate warehouses and distribution centers. So if you think about going to the store or receiving something at home as a product, it will likely go through a warehouse or set of warehouses and distribution centers. So our goal is to make that process more automated. And we're a little bit unique in the fact that we do build the technology. We also deploy it, and then when it's deployed, we run it for the life of the system. And the typical kind of life of our system is about 20 years. So we'll have people deployed kind of across the globe, if you will, running these systems kind of for the next long period of time. So it's not just the building of the technology, but it's also the operating of it long term.